How to hide active now on Messenger in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly click on the top left corner. When you click on your profile picture in the top left corner, then you come to this page, and in the profile tab you can see the active status. So when you click on the active status, then here you can see when this button is toggle button is enabled, then it will show that you are active. So you have to turn this off. So what you have to do to turn this off is you have to click on this button, and when you click on this toggle button, then it is saying that turn off. So you have to click on the turn off, and then it will turn off. So that's it, that how you can hide active now on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, uh, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I will appreciate this. Have a good day.